When it comes to choosing the best mechanic service truck for your business, one brand rises above the competition. Maintainer Corporation of Iowa has been producing premium quality work trucks since 1976. Please spend a few minutes with us to learn about the Maintainer Advantage and why a Maintainer service body will be the best overall value for your business. Maintainer service bodies are available in 1 and 2 ton models, and they can be manufactured with a Maintainer crane or without. In fact, your truck can be custom engineered to meet your specifications so you can do your job more efficiently. The quality of the Maintainer product starts with its rugged construction. We start by using strong, corrosion-resistant A60 galvannealed material. Our stringent, quality-controlled welding process manufactures subframe crossmembers on 12-inch centers. This substructure has proven to make Maintainer bodies last longer than the competition, reducing your overall cost of ownership, and you feel confident your truck can handle the toughest conditions. If desired, your older Maintainer body can be refurbished. Due to its longevity, many customers remount their Maintainer body onto a second or even third chassis over time. Another great feature that Maintainer customers love is our compartment construction. Maintainer can create space for your tools and equipment with 52-inch tall reinforced compartments on the 1-ton body and a 62-inch standard height on the 2-ton models. Compartments are manufactured from a combination of 11, 12, and 14-gauge galvannealed material for strength, rust resistance, and weight savings. We provide infinitely adjustable aluminum shelving, and the full-height compartments have a ribbed, reinforced floor with drains and a splatter spray finish. Where you really see the difference is in Maintainer's door design. Maintainer uses 3 16-inch thick aluminum doors with bonded reinforcement, which are some of the strongest in the industry. Maintainer employs metal reinforced automotive weather stripping to help seal the compartment, along with gas spring door holders and 3-point D-ring compression latches. We use stainless steel door hinges that can be easily greased with a needle-tipped Zerk fitting. Along with our recessed design, an aluminum drip rail helps channel water away from the operator and the stored items when opening the door. Latches come with individual compartment locks, and a master lock option is available. All those elements combine to create the best protection available for anything stored within the compartments. Innovations in engineering have helped make Maintainer's telescoping cranes the workhorse of our service truck bodies. Maintainer sells electric, hydraulic, and hydraulic cranes that range from 3,500 to 14,000 pound lift capacity and can reach on up to an industry-leading 34 feet. Maintainer cranes come in tall tower and short tower designs. The short tower cranes are popular in the industry and can be installed on the street side or curb side of the truck. Maintainer's tall tower cranes have a much lower center of gravity, which helps vehicle stability. Because the tall tower ties directly into our reinforced body substructure, it will not affect the integrity of the compartment. They look bigger, but the tall tower actually saves on vehicle weight since we don't have to reinforce the compartments to handle the crane. Tall tower cranes can also be installed on either side of the truck. Maintainer continues to advance its crane technology as well. The new multiplex, or CAN, electrical system gives the user better insight on their body as well as their crane. The system provides complete machine control as well as aiding in troubleshooting issues. Our advanced crane control programming and transmitter informational display helps warn the operator and even stops the crane from performing an unsafe lift. As an additional option, Maintainer Connect will allow both crane and body information to be transferred to most telematics platforms for centralized data analysis and preventative maintenance. All Maintainer hydraulic cranes come with overload protection, anti-tube lock, and a swivel safety hook as standard equipment. Maintainer uses a closed center load sensing system when possible on service bodies with cranes, which provides the most efficient hydraulic system available. Maintainer cranes come standard with a wireless remote control, which includes a display for crane and body information. This allows the operator to be more mobile and maintain a safe distance from the load while knowing the exact status of the crane. The controls are independently proportional, meaning the harder the button is pressed, the faster the crane will move. The remote will even start and stop the truck engine or auxiliary power unit. If you run the remote out of battery power, there is an optional backup cable to keep you on the go. To ensure the remote is not left behind at the job site, a standard indicator light system in the cab warns operators if the remote is not properly stored. The required outriggers can be controlled with manual crank, manual extend, or hydraulic extend. Hydraulic extend outriggers and override controls are standard on 10,000 pound and larger cranes. The controls are recessed into the center back of the body. This location increases job site safety by allowing the operator better visibility during outrigger deployment. The controls are then covered and out of the way while working near the workbench bumper. Maintainer offers a number of options to make your job easier. Convenient to operate and built tough, DuaLock aluminum drawers set the standard for tool and component storage. The DuaLock drawer sets feature a single-action latch for easy operation, even when wearing insulated work gloves. The DuaLock gets its name from the fact that each drawer locks in both the closed and open positions. Each drawer is rated for 300 pounds and can be customized for your needs. Drawers can be built from 3 to 12 inches in height and from 13 to 48 inches wide. One of the most popular options on our Maintainer truck bodies is our Pressurized Storage System, or PSS for short. This unique patented equipment works in conjunction with our premier body design to keep dust and moisture away from your tools and other important cargo. Maintainer can install auxiliary power units, or APUs, like the Miller NPAC, VMAC Wrapped Air, or the Vanair i300. These units run their own diesel engine to provide a generator, welder, air compressor, and hydraulic functions. This saves fuel and extends the life of your chassis engine. Maintainer offers several options for securing the load in the center deck. Our standard models offer serviceable tie-down D-rings with 6,000 pound capacity. You can also enclose your load with our soft top sliding deck cover or the popular aluminum slide top covers. Maintainer offers a variety of hydraulically driven reciprocating or rotary screw air compressors and air accessory kits to meet your needs. Gas, diesel, PTO, or split shaft compressors are also available. Various lighting options are available, including 2100 lumen floodlights and LED strip lighting for your compartments. Maintainer's workbench bumpers give you more storage and space to do your job. Maintainer's rear bumpers are made with stainless steel and a protective coating to combat corrosion. Maintainer units are etch primed, and finished with automotive polyurethane paint in the color of your choice. We also provide a UV-resistant, non-skid protective covering, and all Maintainer units are furnished with undercoating. Our standard bodies can also be transformed into a service and lube combination unit. These can be customized with product tanks and dispensing equipment integrated into the body's build, or a portable lube skid can be added to a standard unit. And that's not all. You'll want to check out www.maintainer.com for more details on all of the service truck options available. Maintainer continues to find ways to make your job easier and safer. We go the extra step to round the corners and smooth edges on the truck to reduce injury risk. We've added grab handles at convenient locations to ensure three-point climbing access onto the body. Maintainer cranes are tested, certified, and loaded with advanced crane control for better safety when operating. Safety decals, backup cameras, warning lights, and more features are incorporated to help create a safer job site. Rugged construction, premium compartments, industry-leading cranes, multiple options to make your job safer and easier. Give Maintainer a call today to start turning your ideal service truck into a reality.